This video is about Experiment 3, Cross-Flow Membrane Filtration. It was created by Group 7, which including Choi Man, Li Jingyi, Dan Yiqing, and Wong Ruifang. The objective of this experiment is to make sure students are able to carry out separations process by using cross-flow membranes filtration unit. Introduction. Membrane microfiltration is a physical filtration process which the contaminants are filtered out through the peroxide membranes when the fluid is pumped through it in a certain pressure. Cross-flow membrane filtration is also known as the tangential flow filtration. It is the primary concern in these experiments where the feed stream passes parallel to the membrane surface as one portion passes through the membrane while the remaining is recirculated back to the feed reservoir. Let us look at the materials needed. Glucose, distilled water, DNS reagents, burette reagents, and yeast. DNS reagents is used to measure the amount of reducing sugar formed in the sample, while burette reagents is used to detect the presence of peptide bonds in the samples. So, what are the apparatus needed? Beaker, stopwatch, measuring cylinders, electronic balance, spectrophotometer, microfiltration system, stirrer, and pipette. Let us look at the procedures. There are 4 main procedures in these experiments. First, protein solutions preparations. 500 ml of yeast solutions was added with 5 grams of glucose to form 6% of protein solutions. Next is pump calibrations. Microfiltration system was set up and all the units in the systems were identified and checked. Then, the feed pot tubing was put into a 1 liter beaker that filled with distilled water. Pump was on. The speed of the system was changed to 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 RPM. The water that came out from the permeate pot was collected for 1 minute for each of the speeds. The volume collected at each speed was recorded. The pump was set at 7 RPM and ran. The water that came out from the permeate pot was collected and measured every minute until the volume obtained is constant. Obtained of constant volume indicated that the pump has reached its stability. Pump calibrations was said to be done.